The meeting created a platform to harmonize development strategies, reinforce party cohesion, and reaffirm their unwavering resolve to sustain progressive governance ideas that prioritize people-centered development, institutional accountability, and intergovernmental collaboration. The strategic engagement provided an opportunity for deep reflection on the nation's socio-economic direction, a reassessment of the subnational role in national transformation, and an affirmation of the Forum's commitment to the renewed hope agenda of His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR.
I want to thank you for the support that you have been giving the governor here in Edo State, and above all, to please extend our warm regards to Mr. President. Mr. President, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, for wonderful work he's trying to get the country together, as hard as everybody is saying it is. But everybody knows there's nobody that has been in the villa, that has been sitting on that seat, that has not been seriously